How to be emotional supportive. Giving emotional support might make people feel more connected to others and less isolated. This is not always simple, and various circumstances necessitate various forms of assistance. The following is a general formula for providing emotional support. 1. Think about how the other person could be experiencing as you listen, and pay attention to the words they use to explain it. Consider the viewpoint of others since different people may react in different ways to the same circumstances. 2. Simply being heard can sometimes help someone feel supported. Listen without passing judgment or interjecting. Don't suggest to the other person how they ought to feel. Never challenge their way of thinking or downplay the gravity of their issues. 3. Summarize what they've said, or mirror, to demonstrate understanding. 4. Offer empathy and assurance. Depending on the circumstance, it may be appropriate to reassure the individual that they are loved or to remind them that everyone makes mistakes. Alternately, it can be fair to acknowledge their perseverance in trying circumstances. 5. Be truthful. It is still possible to be helpful even when a person is confused of how to react to terrible news or trying emotions. I want to improve it and offer the appropriate support, but I'm not sure what to say, someone might say. However, I want to keep talking and I'm still here to listen. 6. Ascertain their needs. This gives the individual in need the ability to choose the type of assistance they get. A person might only want to converse, or they might need guidance or material assistance. Others might seek a diversion or to switch the subject of the conversation. Observe their example. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.